Hello and welcome to our first portfolio and business update for the year. And what better way to welcome in 2024 than by celebrating a significant milestone, $10 billion in assets under management for the Trobe Australian Credit Fund, a milestone only made possible through the continued trust placed in Trobe Financial by our almost 100,000 investors and 4,000 advisor partners. To each and every one of our wonderful investors and advisors, thank you for your ongoing support. As Australia's premier alternative asset manager, what we are most proud of is the history of performance we have delivered for our investors for more than 3 decades. 3 decades of impeccably delivering on our investment objective for our portfolio investors of providing low volatility income at all points across the economic and market cycle. 3 decades with no investor having ever lost a cent of invested capital in our portfolio accounts. It is a performance profile that our 550 staff are as committed as ever to repeating for decades to come, all while aiming to deliver superior customer service. For our investors, they are now receiving distribution rates which sit at their highest point in a decade, having continued their upwards trajectory across 2023. Our flagship 12-month term account, that is now returning 6.65% per annum for investors, while our 4-year account is paying a highly attractive 8.2% per annum. These are returns which provide investors with reliable sources of income, an outcome more important than ever during a season of heightened volatility in markets. Indeed, in the financial half year ended 31 December 2023, we continue to generate real returns for investors, distributing an extraordinary $305 million to investors, up about $45 million half on half. These are returns which form a tangible contribution to Australia's overall wealth, whether as retirement income, income providing financial security, or income supporting lifestyle goals. Our delivery of a premium low volatility income, repeated across more than 3 decades, is driven by the ongoing health of our portfolios. These are investment portfolios which have proven to be incredibly resilient across all cycles, a reflection of our ongoing commitment to our investment fundamentals. The careful selection of high-quality assets and the disciplined and deliberate construction of highly diversified portfolios bear fruit in times of market volatility and stress. It is in these more volatile moments that Trobe Financial shines as a generator of low volatility income. Looking ahead, the improving macroeconomic environment presents as a tailwind for our investment strategies, with the domestic economy in particular providing cause for optimism. Interest rates are almost certainly at or near their peak. The Australian population remains fully employed, coupled with a period of strong house price appreciation, allowing borrowers to find breathing space to sensibly manage any extended positions. Now, the quality of assets within investment portfolios is important at any stage, but particularly so after an extended rate hiking cycle like that we've seen over the last 18 months. At Trobe Financial, we continue to see outstanding volumes of loan originations, allowing our portfolio managers to select from the highest quality assets. We remain as thoughtful as ever in the way that we deploy investor capital, carefully selecting granular asset exposures to form part of our highly diversified portfolios. Finally, we are incredibly proud to have launched to market our US private credit strategy. Leveraging our deep private market expertise and international networks, this strategy provides Australian investors with the opportunity to participate in a generational investment thematic, supporting the rebuild of the US middle market through a defensive portfolio of directly originated senior secured loans. Already the world's 3rd largest economy and forming the backbone of the American economy, the US middle market will be buttressed by the billions of dollars in public expenditure pledged through the Inflation Reduction Act and the support of both major political parties to reshore manufacturing and jobs to America. We're excited to provide investors with such a unique product offering and the opportunity to add a strong global exposure to their defensive portfolios. As we commence 2024, having celebrated the dual milestones of reaching $10 billion in assets under management and a generation, that's right, 15 consecutive years of our 12-month term account being recognised as the best of the best by Money Magazine, we remain entirely focused on delivering the highest standards of service, not just across our sector, but the wider financial services industry, and upholding our reputation as Australia's premier alternative asset management. Thank you for watching.